Sorry, I'm just having my lunch. Welcome back to ICE TV. Today I'm going to give you 10 word pairs and I would like you to say them and decide if they are the same or different. Okay? So here are the first two. So they are the same. It's berry, sounds like egg. Okay? Next. They are the same. Bean sounds like tree. Okay, number 3. So these are different. Vary sounds like chair and very sounds like egg. Number 4. These two words are both the same. So sounds like phone. Okay, next. Again, these two are the same. Floor sounds like horse. Okay, next, number 6. These two are different. Love sounds like up and vase, and laugh sounds like bath and flower. Okay, next. These three are the same. Okay, there sounds like chair. Number 8. These are different. Ankle and uncle are different because ankle has an a like cat and uncle is like up. Number 9. Surprisingly, these are the same. Effect, both of them have a. They sound like computer. And finally, number 10. The first one here sounds like ear, and the second one sounds like chair, hair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm going to get back to my lunch.